Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna try out Korean makeup look, which is really different from the normal makeup that we do in India or America. Korean makeup is quite natural and subtle. There is not too much emphasis on the bold features of the face. They try to show the glowing glossy skin with the natural blush. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's begin. First step is to wash and moisturize the face, and that I have already done. I used my Cetaphil moisturizing cream, and the next step is that they apply a lip gloss or a lip balm to the lips, and they do this right before starting their makeup, so that in the end when the makeup is done only the lips are left. The lips are super soft and super plump. They are highly moisturized. So I'll be using this lip balm by Lakme Lip Love. Now moving on to the face, you must have noticed that in Korean makeup they do not do a very full coverage heavy cakey face. They go for a very light, subtle, and more of a natural looking glowing face. And it is really surprising to know that they don't really use foundation. I mean, they do use, but on a very limited basis. Mostly all of them use BB or CC creams. So even I'll ditch the foundation and I'll just go with my Clarins BB cream, and I'll take a very small amount and apply it all over my face. The eyebrows there are usually not very arched. Like, I have a very angular arched eyebrow. They do not have that concept. They have much of a bushy full straight eyebrow. So I'm gonna correct this arch and try to make it a little more straight. Now I'm gonna apply a little concealer right over here on top of my arch to make my eyebrows look a little more straight. For the eyes, I have noticed that they don't do a very glamorous eye makeup. They go for a very subtle, natural eye look, and they don't use too many shades at a time. They usually use 2 or 3 shades, and the shades that they use are quite natural colors, like according to their skin color, and they use pink and red eyeshadows a lot. So for the base, I'm using the shade 1942 by Kylie Cosmetics I Want It All palette. And I'm gonna apply this shade literally all over my eye. Next, I'm going to use this shade by Huda Beauty's Coral Obsession palette, and this shade is neither red nor pink. This is somewhere in between, so it'll be perfect. And I'm going to apply the shade only on the outer corner of the eyes. For eyes, they don't do a very bold or winged eyeliner, so I'm gonna do a smudged eyeliner, and that too just till the center of the eye. And for that, I'm using this Revlon pencil, and it's in a dark brown color. Now I'm gonna go back to this shade and apply it from here just till the center of the eye. For highlighting, they not only highlight the inner corner of the eye, but they take the highlighter till the center of the eye. So I'll be using highlighters in the shade French Vanilla. And they usually don't apply false eyelashes, only the mascara. So the mascara I'm going in with is Clarins Supra Volume Mascara. They also apply very little amount of concealer, and that too near the inner corner of the eye, just next to the nose. Their face is all about that perfect porcelain skin with that red blush and super glossy and shiny skin. So contouring is there, but it is quite minimal. For contouring, I'm going in with the Skinny Duo palette by Kylie Cosmetics. For highlighting, I'm going back to the highlighter, and in Korean makeup, they do not apply the highlighter to define their cheekbone, to show their cheekbone, but it is usually applied right in the center on the cheeky area of the face. And for blush, I'm going in with the shade Cheers. Finally, for the lips, they do not use lip liner to make their lips look more bigger or fuller. Instead, they apply concealer all around their lips to make them look more smaller. The concept is to make your lips look more plumpy, juicier and soft, almost like natural baby lips. So I'm gonna go in with Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the shade Maple and apply it all around my lips. Now I'm using the shade Crush by Kylie Cosmetics and I'll apply this shade only in the center part of my lips. And with my finger I'll just blend it out. And this is our final Korean makeup look. I know this is a very natural and subtle look, but you can really wear it as your everyday or even as your daytime makeup. I really hope that you guys had a good time watching this video and that you all learned something new from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next video.